guys, thanks for tuning in to another awesome, great episode. I know it's been a little bit, but man, we got a lot in store for the OBS for this week. Definitely stay tuned. Try to make another video every day of the week this week. So we got a whole laundry list of stuff to do. So stay tuned. Alright, so I ordered some pre-cut tint here from Tint Giant. Comes in its own nice little tube. And this stuff is already pre-cut. And you can select what percent you want. So let me unroll this and I'll show you what we got. Alright, so you can see here after I got her laid out, we have the nice pre-cut long piece and then the two side window pieces. So we will work on the back window here first, since it's pretty much already cleaned up, and then we'll try on the side ones. Alright, so what I do is just wet up the window really good, wet up my hands, and then take my squirt bottle and get ready to wet this up as I peel it off. I kind of tape this down to the table so it's easy to peel that sucker off, and then we go from there. We get y'all set up over here. Alright, of course I gotta wait for it to dry up a little bit here, and then we'll try to get some more of the water out. It's not real dark, as you can tell. Alright guys, in this video just a couple of updates. Still paint correcting on this, and then we'll start with carbon fiber racing stripes. Still buffing all this out. As you can see, we're getting close. It's looking pretty crisp. We got the tint in. We're waiting for it to dry down here below the lip so that I can, and then I'll heat it up. Also, you can see we got the updated decal back there. Still cleaning on that. Finally sanded up the tailgate. Got to do a little bit more on it though, as you can see. The roll pan's looking good. See the difference? This side over here, still need to polish some more, but right in here we're definitely looking real good. It's black though, man. It shows everything dirty. Got the visors on, got the, this is those carbon fiber door trims that I was talking about. Got the shorty antenna installed, if y'all didn't see that video. Got the wheels all cleaned up. Like I said, I got this hood looking pretty pristine, but we're doing carbon fiber down the center and then a green accent stripe. It's gonna be sweet. Also got a video coming where I kind of repaired this glass here. So this is just a little update. We got a whole list here of things to do, and definitely stay tuned. We got a badass fog light upgrade coming with plug and play harnesses, as you can see. So that'll be coming up this week. Make sure y'all stay tuned for that. I wanted to show y'all I went with this instead of SS454 lights because this looks more like these lights, like they're rectangular instead of square. So basically They're gonna fit right in there, of course, flush mounted inside, you know, like the SS ones. And these suckers are super bright. And we are just gonna do a splitter off the headlight harness. I will show you all that too, as you can see here. Pretty easy. We also got some green LED lights to put in this week, and we also have some Bluetooth rock lighting with the module and all that we're gonna put down inside the wheel wells so we can have some green lighting. But yeah, that's the updates for today. I'll have some more in-depth videos later on. Stay tuned for that. I'll show y'all this windshield repair kit and all that and what I used for that. So anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. More to come. Subscribe, hit the thumbs up. Thanks for watching.